Hi everyone, good morning. Today we are going to welcome to my channel. My channel name is Be Inspired. Please share, like, subscribe my channel. Welcome to my channel. Please share, like, subscribe my channel. Hi students, welcome to my class. Hello everyone. Today I'm going to say a few things about this investment. For example, as we all know that I'm going to say something about financial analysis. So based on the financial analysis, I have selected two mobile apps, that is Quera and Upstocks. Just we know what is Quera and what is Upstocks. Quera is nothing but it is an online platform for mutual fund investments in India, and it is operated by Arivek Advisory Services Private Limited, a company headquartered in Bangalore. It tells about wealth management platform for individual investors and offers investment in direct mutual funds without any fees or commissions. Okay, so it was founded by Gaurav Rastogi, ex-portfolio manager at Morgan Stanley, and Neelab Sanyal, former vice president with Axis Capitals. So actually, the name Kubera is they derive the Kubera word from Kuber. We all know that Kubera, a lot of rich, right? So from there they took this word and they in turn changed it into Kubera. Like this, we got the word Kubera. So this is about Kubera, and it is going to deal only mutual funds, online mutual funds, and not only that, by using this, you as a person, you can directly go and invest in that, and no need of any other brokers or any other intermediate persons. So that is about one mobile app that is called Kubera, and I'm going to say one more mobile app that is Upstocks. Upstocks is nothing but it is RKSV and it is brand name is Upstocks, and it is one of the India's fastest growing retail broking firms. And this allows the retail investors in India to invest in stocks, futures, options, currencies, commodities at very lower rate compared to traditional full service brokers. And it is headquartered in Bombay, India, and holds a membership with NSE, BSE, MCX, and MCXSX. And Upstocks also offers a paperless Demat account opening and trading platform, and traders can also trade in the even traders can you people can also trade even in you can directly trade online, and not only that, you can even directly trade even in foreign exchange also. And the word RKSV is nothing but the names of three members. One is Ravi Kumar and Raghu Kumar. They both are brothers, and they are having a hobby. Okay, and one more SV is there. No, RK means Ravi Kumar and Raghu Kumar. SV is nothing but Srinivas Vishwanath. So the three members combinedly in 2009 they done this. They prepared a mobile app and they tried to run this, and Upstocks raised $25 million in its second round of institutional funding from Tiger Global Management. This is about Quera. A simple, brief explanation about Quera and Upstocks is this. And now, by seeing this, can able to you are seeing two different kinds of graphs there. That is, one is circle one is called pie graph, and the other one is called rectangle one is called bar graph. And this pie graph is going to tell about the first pie graph is saying one thing, that if you invest 40.6% of your money in Kuvera and 59.4% of your money in Upstocks. This is about amount invested. Okay, and the second pie graph is saying that, and second pie chart is saying that three different things. One is ETF, stocks, and mutual funds. The highest amount you invested in ETF, that is 56.5%, and the second highest amount you invested in mutual funds, that is 40.6%, and the least amount you invested in stocks, that is 2.9%. And this is by the amount you invested in two different things, that is equities and bonds. And this is called asset allocation, and this chart is saying that 90.1% you invested in equities and 9.9% you invested in bonds. This is about this three pie charts. Now move on to the next chart. This is about percentage of profit when you invested. Okay, so the percentage of profit since you invested in based on the mobile apps. This is the highest you invested in Upstocks, that is 21.26% you got profit, and the second highest profit you got in Kuvera, that is 17.25%. Okay, and this bar chart is saying about three different things: ETFs, stocks, and mutual funds. The highest profit you earned in stocks, that is 21.52%, and second highest profit you got in ETF, that is 21.25%, and the least profit you earned in mutual funds, that is 17.25% based on your invested vehicle. And this is about asset allocation, and here two things are there: one is equities and the other one is bonds. And the highest profit you earned in equities is 21.65%, and the least profit you earned in bonds is 1.24%. See, I just did one more extra thing, that is when compared to last week to this week, this time we got all profits. So based on this, we'll see even this also, what this bar graph is explaining. When compared to last week to this week, you got highest profit in Kuvera, that is 1.6%, and least profit in Upstocks, that is 0.68%. And this is saying that you got higher when compared to last week to this week. 3.28 highest profit you earned in stocks, and least profit, the second highest profit you earned in mutual funds, that is 1.6%, and least profit you earned in ETF, that is 0.54%. Whereas coming to this asset allocation, and the profit here is only one, it is in red color because you didn't earn profit and you didn't go for loss. That is better. In bonds you didn't earn any profit when compared to last week, whereas you got profit only in equities, that is 1.14% based on asset allocation. This is what the graphs are saying about. When compared to this pie graph and this bar graph, what is the same? See, the highest you invested in Upstocks, the same way you got highest profit even in Upstocks. And the second highest you invested in Kuvera, and here you got second highest profit in Kuvera. So that means what? By seeing this graph, you are keeping in a proper placement, because Upstocks highest profit and highest invested and highest profit also we got in Upstocks. And coming to this invested vehicle, when you compare this to the least you invested in stocks, but it shows the highest profit for you, that is 21.52%, and the highest you invested in ETF, that is 56.5%, but it is showing second highest profit, that is 21.25%. And second highest you invested in mutual funds, but you got least profit here, that is 17.25%. So here by seeing these two graphs, you can understand easily that the least investment is going to give you a highest profit, but this does not happen in all the cases. This week it happened like this. Okay, and coming to this asset allocation, the highest you invested in equities, and the same way you got highest profit in equities, that is 21.65%, and the least you invested in bonds and you got least profit in bonds, that is 1.24%. Now when you compare this three things, when you compare these two things, actually you got highest profit in Upstocks, but whereas you got least profit when compared to last week. When compared to last week, you got highest profit in Kuvera, that is 1.6%. And here in this, when you compare these two graphs, you got highest profit in stocks, and the same way you got highest profit in stocks only, that is when compared to the last week, that is 3.28%, it is increased. And whereas second highest profit mutual funds, and same here also 1.6%. And sorry, least profit you got in mutual funds, but here it is showing second highest profit, means when compared to last week it is increased by 1.6%. and ETF is actually second highest, but here it just increased 0.54% when compared to last week. And coming to equities, the profit percentage is just increased when compared to last week, that is 1.14%. And whereas the bonds, it doesn't increase, and unfortunately it didn't went for loss. Okay, so this is about this three different types of graphs, this three different types of things. One is based on invested amount, and one is based on percentage of profit till you invested. And this chart is saying about when compared to last week. Thank you. Thank you for listening. Wear a mask while going outside. Please wash your hands thoroughly for 20 seconds. Keep safe distance. If you want to avoid COVID-19, you have to do these things properly. Wash your face, wash your hands thoroughly, sanitize each and everything. When you're going outside, if it is necessary, please wear a mask and go. Stay home, stay healthy. When you're going outside, try to avoid close contacts and try to avoid crowded places. When you're getting either cough or sneeze, please use your hand. Stay home, stay healthy. Thank you for listening. Thank you so much.